Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do another pour. We are going to do a funnel ripple silicone cell pour. That's what we're going to do. It should be a lot of fun. Again, total credit for this idea goes to Olga Soby at Smart Art Materials. I will link to her video below that gave me this inspiration. We're going to try our own version today. I am also going to use, like she did, Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. So the paints are going to be ready to go. This is a 10 by 10 canvas, so we'll need at least 6.25 ounces. I have 6 colors, so we'll need a little more than an ounce of each. So I'll be putting those in these cups. We aren't going to layer any paint. We're just going to put the paint one color at a time in different orders into the funnel, and then we'll do a ripple pour, which is pick it up and put it back down on the canvas very quickly. As the paint comes out, it causes a ripple effect. And I don't have any silicone like she does. What I have is dimethicone, basically coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. So I will be mixing a little of this in with each of the 6 colors, and then we'll pour. So here we go. I'm going to be using aqua green. These little cups are 3 ounce little cups, 3 ounce cups. So I'm doing approximately 1/3 of a cup. It won't be exact. If we end up with a little more paint, that's okay than we need. This is deep yellow. This is violet. This is metallic white. This is phthalo blue. And finally, sap green. Okay, I'm now going to mix a spritz, one little spritz of dimethicone into each cup. All right, stir everything up. Alright, start with a little puddle of the white. Make sure my videos are all on cameras. Okay, I shall commence. All right, now, here comes the ripple effect, hopefully. Ready? Here we go. That is very, very pretty. Somehow I ended up with a square of ripples. Okay, let's see what the torch does. And here come some cells. Oh, look at that. Woo! Isn't that pretty? Come on, cells. The torch activates the cell function of the dimethicone, or the silicone if you use silicone. Wow, that is so cool. We're going to give this a minute to see what further develops, and then we will stretch it out by tilting. So just keep enjoying the show here. I'll be right back. All right, that is just so flippin' pretty. Oh, Lord. You know what? We're going to go in for a close-up now. Look at those cells. Colors within colors within colors. Oh, Lordy, that's beautiful. And you can't even see the sheen, I don't think, from the metallic white, but it's in there. Especially this circle and these circles in the middle. I don't think I can get it, but it's very shiny, trust me. Look at the purple. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, look at all that. And I am relieved at this point. We haven't had a ton of yellow. It's not that I don't like yellow, but I was a little nervous about how much I poured out more of the yellow than any other color, I think. So I was afraid it might take over. Okay. And now we tilt. I don't have to tilt very much, will I? Really want to keep some of this beautiful blue over here. I tell you, that phthalo blue just makes the prettiest combinations. Okay, come on back, blue. Yesterday, I didn't put my painting that we were doing, the pour we were doing yesterday, back down right on the tripods, and it all kind of tipped off in one corner. That was unfortunate. I'll be more careful about getting my tripods. Oh, that is just stunning. Wow. Okay, I'm going to clean up my hands and then torch again because I think we might still see more cells here. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. We are going to come back and do our close-up. We're back. All right, time for our final close-up. So here we are. Lower left, up the left-hand side. To the upper left corner, across the top. Ooh, some of those cells are cool. Look at that. I actually don't mind that there's a little bit of non-cell space here. Upper right, down the right-hand side. That's pretty. And lower right-hand corner. And then the entire thing in focus, hopefully. There we go. Wasn't that fun? Thank you, Olga Soby. Again, check out her video. I will link it below. Thanks, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.